Yankee! Yankee, where are you? Can you guys make a break for
Who's
us?
that? Someone there?
Guys! Guys! Listen, hey! We need to get out of here. But I can only carry some of you.
What?
Oh, she started already.
Spider-Man sighted.
Get out of here, young blood!
Whoa.
You've got more important things to do.
He's right. Go. We'll get people clear.
I'll be back.
I know. Okay, people! Check every door! We don't leave anyone behind!
No! You don't know what you're doing!
They deserve what's coming to them!
No! The reactor! Krieger changed his specs. You're not just gonna destroy Roxxon Plaza. You're gonna vaporize all of Harlem!
I'm not gonna let you lie to me again! You're too late.
I can't let you do this.
I can't let you stop me.
Don't you see what the reactor's doing?
Destroy the plaza! Too slow! Just get out of here! Leave! Please! I don't want to do this!
I'm not leaving, Finn. You can help me stop this. Or you can kill me. Your choice.
Who fed you that? Krieger? I ran the numbers! We're not done yet!
Why won't you listen to me?
Krieger couldn't change the reactor! He's not that smart!
He's smart enough. Let me stop this. I don't want to fight. We'll talk. After I disable the reactor. Finn, look! The reactor's still going critical. Soon we won't be able to stop it.
No! I am not running away again! You are the one person I needed on my side!
I am on your side. We can take down Roxxon with what we know about Newport.
It won't work! No one cares! Holograms? Really? Give me a break!
Her sword's stuck. Time for Venom. Did you feel that? We have to stop the reactor.
Get away!
run in and let you know. They're gonna be just fine in this building. Well, hell, we'll be fine in all Harlem. Do you have any idea what kind of insurance we've got? Yeah. Being a victim of a terrorist attack? Get Roxxon Plaza. Coming soon. Roxxon City. Alright, later.
No. I have to stop him!
Not like this! I know you feel those shockwaves. Help me stop this. I know about the promise you made to Rick, but he wouldn't want...
Don't say his name!
The more weapons you
gonna make it
build,
easy
the
for you,
more I'll
Miles.
destroy.
Oh, I can keep
You
this
wanted
up
the
all
truth?
day,
Here it
Miles.
is. Rick would have hated that you turned into the Tinkerer.
Keep talking! See if it helps! Shut up! You love Rick too! How can you defend his murderer?
I'm not, but I can't sacrifice Harlem to take down Krieger.
That's not what I'm doing!
It is, even if you won't see it. Please, Ben, I'm telling you the truth.
That's a first!
I shouldn't have lied to you about getting into the underground. If I could go back,
You can't! Keep hiding! I can wait!
you heard Krieger. The only people you're
Gotcha!
I gave you every chance to leave. Don't make me kill you! You can't win! Why do you keep fighting?
Because I'm Spider-Man. Death wheels. Okay. Need to dodge those.
This shouldn't be happening.
I can stop it.